I'm just packing right now for Texas. This is going to be my F1 vlog. I'm going with Celsius and I'm really excited to go to F1. I've never been before. I'm bringing Natasha, which will be really fun. I haven't seen her in so long because she's been like moving and then just organizing her life. So I'll be really glad to spend some one-on-one time with her. I get there like Thursday night, technically. Well, technically it's Friday at 12 o'clock in the morning, but you know. We'll probably just head to the hotel, get a little bit of sleep, and then I think Friday in the morning we have like a full day of things, and then we leave Saturday. It's going to be a quick trip, but I'm excited to bring you with me, and yeah, I think it'll be really fun. I think this is the look I'm going to do for F1. Just because when I do too much, I always end up looking like a bird in photos. I'm the most, if it's like for my own Instagram or something where there's no pressure, it's fine. I can smile, like pose, it's cute, whatever. It's the second that like a house photographer, an in-house photographer is like, okay, stand here and pose, I look scared every single time. I don't know how not to look scared. I think a lot of it is like I never really want to take photos like in that way because it makes me nervous. So I just stand there and I'm like, and I look like a scared peacock bird. It's the weirdest thing. It's really one thing about me that has been happening to me since I'm a child. Ever since I walked my first red carpet, I looked at the photos and I was like, I don't know if that's what you thought you looked like on there. Such a stupid problem, but I'm trying to figure out a makeup look that just feels very natural and myself. And then I could just be like, okay. I was just looking in the mirror practicing how to smile because I have a feeling I'm gonna have to take a photo at the thing. If you see it, just laugh with me, okay? Because I know I'm gonna look like a scared little pigeon. Anyway, I need to pack. So let's do that and pick out an outfit for F1. I ordered some little things. It's gonna be really casual at F1. Like I'm thinking of just doing a baggy jean and a blouse. Something I feel confident and sexy in, but I don't want to feel overdressed as I hold up a skirt set. But I'm just gonna try what I ordered. I got everything from Revolve because I needed it to get here in one day. I'll try everything on and I'll show you. Okay, this set is really cute. It's just not really the look I'm going for this particular event. It's more like very garden princess vibes. Not for F1. This is like a cute little pink moment. I don't know what I want to wear, but nothing is speaking to me. Low back. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like anything. I found the look. This is what I'm wearing. I love this top. I'll put a link to it. And I have just big denim jeans, which I feel comfortable in. We did it. Okay, what am I? I actually decided to go with blue jeans and a little yellow heel, like yellow and white, because it's in the daytime and I felt like my other outfit was a little dark. And no, I don't have a stylist, and in moments like this, I regret it. Good morning. It is Thursday. I leave for Texas today, like tonight, afternoon, evening-ish. And so I thought I would bring you through my day, my travel day, and like how I prep. I already made my coffee. Sorry, I didn't film any of that because I rolled out of bed and then let the dogs out, fed them, made my coffee. Reading this book at the moment, The Revolt of the Public. I think everybody should read this book. I put my workout stuff on. I'm freezing, so I kept my hoodie on. And then I need to go drop my dogs off at my parents' house because my mom is watching them for the weekend. I'll get back home and I'll have a couple hours to like pack, film, do whatever I need to do, get organized. I'm excited you're coming along for this F1 journey. I have my weights on. I always like to start with like 15 minutes of cardio, minimum. I'm tired. I'll put my toast and my bacon in one tray. I just like tin foil the bacon. Part of my avocado. That much lemon. Do a lot of slightly tastes like rye bread, and I don't really like rye bread. I wonder if I accidentally bought the rye sourdough. Dropping the dogs off. Here he is. And then I'm going to head home. I actually decided I'm going to do my own makeup. Way too nervous to work with somebody completely new. Who are you getting angry at? That's a neighbor. You don't live here. He lives here. Okay, I'm just packing up all my final things. I think I'm going to do my eyebrows. Ow, ow. I'm packed and ready. I think I get picked up in like 1 hour. I look slightly like a little boy, but I'm ready to go to the airport. I'm ready for the airport. My jeans really need to be ironed, but I'm already 5 minutes late.
Good evening and welcome aboard.
Thank you so much. We made it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. I'm very tired. I love hotel coffee. Oh, do I need the key? We're going to the gym. I'm going in the bathroom because I'm freezing. Which, oh well, I haven't done in a while. Oh, perfect. What do you do more of? Makeup. Makeup. Honestly, I feel like it falls because I have quite thick hair.
Yeah.
Even though it's a little short right now, but
No. Oh my god, I feel like it was so much shorter.
it was. I'm trying to
I went to
grow
your
it out.
Instagram to see like what length we were working with, and I was like, it's actually gotten really long. I feel like, because
Yeah, it was a bob cut.
how did you
For a
like it?
second. I honestly loved it.
I'm like, girl, this is intense.
She's dense. She is dense.
Let's go for you, I mean.
Basically what happened is I did a full face of makeup, and then classic Olivia, I decided I didn't like it, so I wiped it all off with like 8 minutes before we had to go. And I just did like my everyday, like a little concealer, a little powder, some freckles, my bronzer, tiny bit of highlight, and lips. Okay, see you there. Grab Celsius on the way. I like this one a lot.
Fruit punch?
Yeah, I want to try it.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
There is 2 passes here
Oh, thank you so
you.
much.
for today.
racetrack. That was really cool and fun to see. Thank you, Celsius, for having me.